Hey folks, hey, if you're new to the channel, I welcome you with open arms. Me and Kojak does. As you can see, I'm in a different vehicle. I finally got it back. That will be another video. Hopefully y'all will be able to provide somewhat of, I wouldn't say necessarily feedback, but maybe like what would you do kind of deal, right? I think I handled it pretty dang good, probably about as best as you could do, honestly. But we'll make a video. I'm hoping to not get over 15 minutes long on that video, which is coming up. I really honestly like to, for the viewers out there, like, what would you do? So it'll take me a little bit to explain, but I'll try to give you a timeline on all the significant events that went down. So I want to do it as professionally and efficiently as possible. But I'm really curious what y'all would have done. So like I said, feel free in the comments. I prefer you not to well, if I was you, I'd have done this. I don't want that. What I want is, what would you have done? So I don't want any correction, because what's been done is done. Hopefully I never have to go through it again, to be straight honest with you. But I'm sure I probably will down the road. That's just how my luck is when it comes to vehicles. But anyway, I got that out of the way. So, but we're going to stop in a few places along the way. I'm off work, and I'm already out and about. So I'm here in Jefferson City. My goal is to make my way back across the state to pick up my knife that I've already paid for. So we'll see how that goes. And I may even look around in there one more time, but I doubt, because it was literally last weekend when I was over there. So I very just doubt that it's anything new in, but you never know though. So if I'm there, I may do a little scan through just to see, it don't hurt to look, right? But what I'm about to walk into is Menards. So why I'm going to Menards is because they sell knives in there. They may not have a Menards where y'all are at, but let me tell you, a Menards is like Kohl's, Harbor Freights, Lowe's, and Home Depot all got together and went to I don't know how to say this, but they all had coitus. If you don't know what coitus is, that's about as most political correct liberal way I can say it. So if they all had coitus together somehow or another, you got a Menards. They sell better quality wood than Lowe's does, and Home Depot. They just have a lot of stuff. It's actually a big store. And from what I gathered, they're all about the same size, no matter where it's at. So from ones I've been to, they're all the same square footage. But anyway, I'm going to go in here, check out a few knives, see what they got. You never know. Got to look. Plus, I'm buying time because it is currently, if I don't block the camera here, it is 8:32 in the morning. Academy, which is right down the road from where I'm at, opens up at 9. Instead of sitting in the parking lot for 30 minutes, I'm going to go in here and check out Menards. Sounds pretty cool, right? Hey, y'all stay tuned, and let's see what we find. Here we are at Menards. You see that? That impresses me right off the bat, because they got 4 American flags flying up there. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, Lowe's. Y'all need to get it together. Well, I need to get some batteries. Got these. Look at them flashlights. $5. Can't go wrong with that, man. Look at these headlamps. $6. Can't go wrong. You can never have enough lights. Can never have enough lights. But I think these batteries, I'm gonna get 2 of these. I know my vehicle uses these. One of my vehicle keys. So yeah, y'all can see how big this place is. Pretty big. All right, here they are. There they are. Guideman. 8CR steel. Those are always pretty cool. Those. Got sharpeners. Got the knife work. It's a cat. Yeah. Some game scissors. So, I don't really see anything on sale, but never hurts to look. You know what I mean? Just never know. Kind of like that diamond sharpener right there. Those are pretty cool. So, anyway, little Bantam. Hexam assist. Pretty nice. They got tools. It's a big place, man. Pretty big. Hey guys, what y'all think about Menards? I didn't film too. There's a lot of people. The workers and their employees were stocking and doing whatever they're doing. So I didn't go crazy with the filming everywhere because there's people everywhere, and some people may not want to be on film. So, but place is huge. I'm telling you, like, it's bigger than any Lowe's, I'm telling you, it's big. And they got a little bit of everything. And not all Menards are equal. Like, some have more food stuff in it. You can actually get groceries. Like, it just depends on the one, I guess, but and what region area it's at. But anyway, hey, they had some knives. They weren't bad. I didn't think they were bad overpriced or nothing. It's just I didn't need them. You know, if they'd have been on like sale, but they were doing 11% rebate on everything in the store, wood, everything. So I imagine they're going to be jammed up for this Labor Day. So, but like I said, I didn't need it, man. There's nothing there I had to have. So I just wanted to show y'all that they do sell knives in there. So Lowe's, maybe some Husky or I don't know. None of them other places got the selection like Menards has. So, but hey, we about to roll up in the Academy, so let's see what's up in this Academy in Jeff City, baby. All right, got quite a bit of knives in here. Go all the way down. Got some cases. There's a case side buster. Yellow handle. I've got an orange one on them. There's them. Probably could go check, but more likely is they're not on sale. So it is what it is. I love these. That's what I carry in my backpack. Sometimes I'm just lazy. This is nice. Just don't have to worry about sharpening a knife. But and you can reuse those blades. To be honest with you, just sharpen all of them and put them back. So, hey, if y'all want 9mm, they got it going on for practice. It's $14.99. You ain't gonna beat that for brass. Not steel, but brass. Look, folks, just because it says that, you've got to go scan and check. You've got to go scan and check. I cannot stress it enough. I'm gonna show you here in a second. All right, y'all see that? All right, y'all ready? Look right there. This is in Jeff City. All right, check this one out. Y'all see that one? I ain't making this up, y'all. I don't eat lead paint. Look right there. All right, check this out. Y'all see that one? There you go. Look right there. And there it is. All right, I'm back in the Academy in good old Rolla. Look right there. They ain't there no more. Hey, I think it's funny. Nope. All right, we're gonna go check out the knives. Let's see. I'm on my way home. I wanted to stop in, see if they got it. See if they done bought them all out. That's funny. Oh, they still got one. It's still here. Look, y'all, it's still here. I'm curious. I forgot to bring the receipt in. They had another one there and I didn't get it. But I bet you this one's a little bit more. And there it is. All right, folks, about to walk into Two Old Crows and get my knife that I left. Hopefully it's still there. All right, coming to booth number 32 in the Two Old Crows. They got some knives in here. They got some. They got them. They got them. Some up there. Some up here. So trade, there they are. There's a 7-0T. Some more down there. All right, we're about to go into Clancy's and see what's up in this bad boy. Man, this is a neat store right here. Don't tell them what you're gonna see up in here. There we go, right there. Coming with me. Benchmades. Some Weathermans. Hey folks, hey, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I apologize up front. I ain't gonna show all the knives and some of the stuff that I got. I'm gonna try to make that in another video just so I won't feel rushed when I'm doing it. Like I said, plus it makes the video a lot longer, a lot harder to upload, and 99 excuses. But I'm trying to not make the videos so long, if I can, if any way possible. So like I said, just please hit the subscribe button for me and Kojak. Like I said, the stuff that I'll go over in another video, and just bear with me. I really appreciate y'all watching and all that. But yeah, like I said, this is some of the spots I hit up, and I did find some stuff. And I don't like using the camera while I'm looking at stuff, trying to wheel and deal, because a lot of these folks up here, I'm telling you, they don't like cameras as much. I've said that in many videos. It's just how it is. I don't push it. I don't want to be rude. I don't just go in there with the phone. I mean, I just can't. I've tried it, and I've multiple times been told they didn't want to be on film, or they didn't even want their voice on there. So I just kind of don't even ask anymore, and it is what it is. But I do kind of walk around the store and look at stuff. Nope, they don't say anything about that. But like if I'm willing and dealing or whatever, they don't appreciate that. So I mean, I may push my luck again at another spot, but we'll see. Like I said, there were some of the spots I did find a few stuff, but nothing to get all worked up over. But I will show that in another video, and I will go over. I put some oil in those on that Baron Sons and the Ozark Trail knife, and they are a little bit smoother. So, and I'll show you that oil again. Like I said, I don't benefit nothing from them. I'll just show you what I use and what works. And yeah, we'll do that in another video. But hey, God bless everybody, and stay safe out there, and happy hunting.